The National Weather Service in Flagstaff has issued a flash flood warning for central Coconino County in north-central Arizona until 6 p.m. Mountain Standard Time at 4:40 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. Emergency management officials reported flash flooding from thunderstorms earlier this afternoon. Over the locations in the warning include, but are not limited to, Fernwood, Timberline, New Potque Height Rails, Hutchison Acres, and Sunset Crater Visitors Center. Several roads continue to be affected by high water with some road closures. Rain has ended at this time, so flooding should begin to improve. Never try to